Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Heidi Bound and I'm an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories and the CEO of Gotham City Bling, coming to you from the amazing New York City. I'm so glad you found me. The purpose of this channel is for you to learn as much as you possibly can about being a paparazzi consultant. The ins, the outs, the details for success, and all kinds of things that you probably didn't even dream of. So hopefully if you are here as a brand new consultant or even somebody that's been doing it for a while, you pick up some amazing new tips. And if you're here because you're curious about paparazzi, well, hopefully you realize in a really short time that I'm the perfect team leader for you. So come check out the videos and then check out my paparazzi page at paparazziaccessories.com/86171. And if the Gotham gang seems like the paparazzi team for you, then make sure that you go there, click opportunities on that paparazzi site, and join my team. It takes you 10 minutes just to change your life. Have a great day. Love to you from New York City.